What is up, my peoples? So, what have I done? Stuff. Motor's in. Gearbox is in currently. This is my cross member. I smashed out my wheel studs today and put extended ones on. These are my new front wheels. I've actually had this set the whole time I've owned the car, but I've only ever run them on the back, so now they're on the front. They are an 18 by 10 negative 28 with a 9mm slip-on spacer so I can clear my big brakes. They will be painted this weekend along with the car and everything else I need to paint. At the moment I'm about to make a gearbox cross member and then put my diff and shafts in so that I can measure what I need to get the tail shaft made, and will possibly hustle John at Gibbs to maybe get it done tomorrow. Unsure. Let's get into it. Alright, so I have a slight dilemma. Just get this popping. Under here, it's just a little slippery gypsy. See that little dick just there? Yeah, that's making the whole gearbox like off-centered because this side doesn't have a dick. So, yeah, the gearbox is like, look at the gap. Oh, you can't even see it. See that? It's a big gap. This small gap. So I need to cut that off, the gearbox. Where is it? There. I need to cut it off. So I'm going to cut it off now. And then I'll recenter the gearbox. And I've already drilled this plate here. And then I'll make mounts that go from there out to the factory holes. So yeah, let's get to cutting. We've successfully... Why is the focus so bad on this piece of sausage? Well, we got it. Let's slide back under. You guys may be thinking like, oh, he's got a hoist. Why didn't he put his car on the hoist? Oh, I actually have customers' cars on the hoist. It's annoying to take stuff off. Boom! Look, wait, where is it? Where's on the camera? Oh, it's right there. Look at, would you just look at it? Yep, so now I've got the room. So now I'm going to center the box and make the mount. Alright, I've centered the box. So I've just sort of measured where I need to go from here. I'm going to make a plate that goes back, and then it'll go down and connect onto this. So let's cut it up in the bandsaw. Alright, 23.5 was my measurement. So we'll let this down. I've already measured that up, so let's start cutting. Now for the next one. Cool. Alright, now clean these up on the bench grinder, linisher, and then I'll mark my holes for where the standard gearbox cross member bolts in, drill them, bolt them into place, and then make the little next bits to connect it up to the center. School beans. Alright, so I've just measured it all up and have center punched my holes in this. So now drill it and then bolt them into place. Done skis. Let's bolt them up. Alright. So, lucky I'm already drilling stuff and I didn't have to do it twice. So that's that one bolted up. And I'll come down there and connect it onto there. Then go across there. Connect onto this. So, let's get a wide angle shot of this. Yes. Have to work out how I'm going to connect that up now, but yeah, we'll get it sorted now. Alright, so I'll just cut these amounts up. So this one is going to sit like this. Yeah. And this one. Where am I even aiming? Oh, it's tripping. Like this. Yeah. Weld it out now. Alright, it's all tacked into place now. Tack that there. And this one's tacked in there. I'm going to have to brace it in another way because I'm actually unhappy with kind of how it sits. Well, I mean, it sits perfect, but I feel like structurally it might not be that strong. So we'll see how we go. I'll see how strong it feels once I get it out of the car. But pull it out and I'll weld the whole thing out and put it back in and it'll be done. Alright, this is what it looks like tacked up. Out of the car. You got to tack these definitely in a few spots so it doesn't move when you sort of unbolt it all. So now I'll weld it all out. Alright, it's all welded out. So now I'm going to spray it. I'll spray this stuff with just this high temp stuff. It's matte in colour. It's going to be under the car, so you're not really going to see it. So the colour doesn't really bother me as long as it's durable and it's not going to rust. Okay, all done. Slide under there. That's it all finished off. So I'm actually stoked with sort of how that's sitting. Sits great, so I'll put the diff in the car now and the axles and I can measure up the tail shaft length.